Hey guys, marijuana, good or bad for chronic pain? Well, for me, I think it's pretty helpful. I have lower back pain. I've had 3 lower back surgeries, and I also have thoracic outlet syndrome, and which affects the nerves and the circulation in my arms. So a lot of nerve pain and different things. So to me, I don't like smoking marijuana all that much. I don't like the feeling I get from it all that much, but it is helpful with pain. Now, what I notice is it relaxes me, and what I like to do is smoke it before I do my mobility exercises. It kind of relaxes me, and I'll notice as soon as I smoke, I don't smoke a whole lot. I just use a pipe like this, and about 2 or 3 hits off a pipe like that, then it'll kick in. It relaxes me, and I'll notice I just want to start moving around more and kind of working on my mobility. I'll notice things starting to pop and crack, and you can just tell things are loosening up from it. Now, I live in California, so it's legal, and I was able, these 2 bags here, these were 2 bags for $40. These probably last me, I don't know, 6 months or a year, just depending on, I kind of go through spurts when I use it more and then when I don't, kind of like with other things. The problem with smoking that, I kind of like drinking with it, but lately I'm trying not to drink much anymore because I have a bad heart, and it kind of makes, alcohol tends to make my heart pound more and stuff, which I don't like, so I'm trying to stay away from the alcohol. So I've been using that more. And there's different types of marijuana. There's the sativa, which is the one I like, which kind of peps you up a little more, wakes you up a little more. And then there's the indica that relaxes you more. And they say that one is supposed to be better for pain, but I kind of like the sativa better. Now, these 2 batches I have right here are hybrids, so I guess they're kind of a mixture of both. And I guess they're pretty good. I mean, they're working pretty well. I tried different ones just to, every time I get it, it's a little bit different. And I have tried the gummies. You can take the gummies. I have used those, but I kind of like smoking it better because you can kind of control how much you, how much you get that way. Sometimes the gummies kind of, it's too much and it kind of makes you kind of out of it, which I don't really like. So usually I'll smoke that. If I use it, it's usually in the afternoon or early evening, like before I do my exercises mainly. I really don't like using it in the mornings just because, I don't know, it kind of makes me more groggy and kind of out of it, less alert. I just don't really like the feeling that much. You're actually starting to hear more about marijuana, like, I don't know, probably not in the mainstream news, but online I'm seeing more people talking about it. A lot of spiritual people are talking about it. It's supposed to help raise your vibration. If you don't know what, like, humans have a vibration, so like, the higher vibrations are like peace, joy, love, and like the more negative emotions are lower vibrations, like, anger, fear, guilt, shame, all that stuff. But they say smoking marijuana is actually supposed to raise your vibration. Most people that smoke it usually seem to be like pretty calm and pretty relaxed, because that's kind of the effect it has on people. So that's something that I do like. And I don't like to drive. I don't like to smoke it and drive because it kind of throws my timing off. In fact, smoking that and driving is actually almost worse than drinking and driving, if you ask me, because it throws your sense of like timing off. It's kind of weird. It's kind of hard to explain, but I know one time I did it and I'm like, it kind of freaked me out, scared me, so I'm like, not doing that anymore. So it is something that I do recommend for chronic pain if you haven't tried it. It might be worth a shot. I mean, I've tried all kinds of different things, and throughout the years, I've been in pain for a lot of years, so it's something that I do recommend. I'm trying to think if there's anything I was going to say that I didn't mention, so can't really think of anything off the top of my head. So if you have questions, just ask a question in the comments if there's anything you want to know that I left out. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.